be the Prime Minister of India. But as time goes by, the glory fades. This is the scenario. This is the every new story, every pattern of kingdoms and human beings. So, human glory, human power fades with time. Human glory fades with time, but God's glory never fades. It never fades. God's glory is eternal and it's permanent. And one of the most interesting when I read the Bible, always I'm amazed and touched by the Holy Spirit is God's glory is most clearly and finally declared, revealed in the incarnation, the ministry, the death and the resurrection of Jesus Christ. And that is why I love this book so much. I'm addicted to this book because I find the clear revelation of God. In John chapter 1 verses 14, I'm quoting the Amplified version, and the word Christ became flesh and lived among us, and we actually saw His glory. Glory as belongs to the one and only begotten Son of the Father, the Son who is truly unique, the only one of His kind, who is full of grace and truth, absolutely free of deception. And that glory in its all purity, in its all perfection, is found in Jesus Christ, which we find in the Holy Book of God. And that is why we love the Bible so much. The Bible reveals the glory of God in Jesus Christ perfectly. In the Bible we find different attributes of God, like immutability. God is eternal, God is just, God is righteous, God is holy, in perfection, sovereign, gracious, omniscient, omnipotent. Different attributes of God we find. And one of the most interesting thing of the Bible is the Bible doesn't only define or reveal the glory of God as stories, fairy tales, and documents. Rather, it reveals as a reality and living experience which we must experience. It is not only fairy tales. It is not only documents which we can read it and close it and forget it all throughout our day job and read it again, then meditate on it and forget it, whatever we do. No. We must impart it in our life. We must use it. It is a living experience. It is a reality. Why?